Are you looking for exercises to help your child with their coordination and balance? If you are, watch this video to learn how to use chalk as an ally in performing functional activities while using a figure 8 pattern. Hi, I'm Dr. Marlene, physical therapist, and I have used these exercises with many of my higher level patients. In this first video, I will be using 2 different colors of chalk to help my son navigate a figure 8 pattern around 2 cones. We will also be working on balance by walking heel to toe. Line with your heel touching your toe. Good. Keep going all the way on blue. Good. Try to get the back of your foot to touch the front of your toes. Heel to toe. Now pink. There you go. Good job. You got it. Keep going all the way till you get to blue again. Good. In the next 2 videos, we will incorporate running around the 2 cones, still using the chalk lines to help him coordinate the pattern. You will notice that I added a 3rd cone in one of the videos to increase the level of difficulty. Pink! Blue! Keep going! Run! Blue! Pink! Blue! Pink! Good. Run! Blue!
Oh, wait a minute.
Pink! Blue! In this last video, you will notice that I took away the chalk so he did not have a visual cue, and I was no longer calling out colors. So he did not have a visual cue or any verbal cues to perform the activity. It is important to note that you should not progress an exercise until your child is ready. Be sure to consult with your child's physical therapist to see if these exercises are appropriate for your child and on when to progress them. This slide shows other activities that you can use to promote coordination, balance, and motor planning, such as jumping on a figure 8 line, braiding walking pattern. Maybe you could start with a straight line and then progress to the figure 8 line, walking sideways or backwards on a figure 8 line. And you can also add to the pattern, like for instance when I added a 3rd cone to help increase the difficulty. You can have them bounce a ball or dribble while walking the pattern, even playing ping pong while walking the pattern, so they'll have to be focusing on 2 things at one time, so it can really help with motor planning. You can even have them throwing up and catching a ball at the same time. Or you can play red light, green light while you're walking or running, depending on your child. These are all some ideas that you can do to incorporate coordination, balance, motor planning, and help your child meet his functional goals. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and don't forget to subscribe to get more ideas.